YouTube, I'm seeing these videos becoming more and more increasingly popular on YouTube, and that's called cold start, So cold start is starting the car up from, very first time you start the car, basically. In the morning, afternoon, or whatever, the first time you start the car is called a cold start. And it runs loud till the engine idles itself down once it reach operating temperature. But yeah, so today I'm gonna give y'all a cold start on this 2019 Dodge Challenger. Here we go. Wow. She sound good, don't she? Ooh-wee. Well, if it cut off like that, it must mean it low in gas. So, all right. It's gonna be a short and sweet video. Holla.